I was born Thursday, November 15th, 1984. It was a Thursday because my mother told me. And then when I became of age, I went to check the day, and it was indeed a Thursday. You know, you go to the field to go play football. I didn't have all those luxuries. My mother would never allow me to. She would say, oh, lọ sínú yàrá ẹ lókè kó lọ ka ìwé òwe.
Ọmọ mi á lọ síbi iṣẹ́ morning, á lọ síbi iṣẹ́ night, á ní kó ṣáà lè rówó tó jọ tó máa fi lè fi ràn yín lọ́wọ́ nígbà tí àkókò iléèwé yẹn tó bá dé gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ti sọ alákìkanjú ọmọ ni.
I remember back home in Nigeria, he would say, okay, Tori, I go for this conference. Throw a blazer on. Don't just wear the top and the jeans and just go. You know, just throw the blazer on. He would just tell, maybe Lashe, for example, you need to adjust your shirt, adjust your collar. Don't just, you know, dress. You need to clean the sole of your shoe. If Ted sees anybody wearing white shoe and you didn't clean your shoelace, the sole is dirty. You say this is a dirty person.
Just like Adasa said, we all went to Queen City Egg. So all of them, they had gone. I hadn't realized that they had gone. And then once I was finished with the ride, I was like, oh, where are they? Where are they? So my dad had given us money. So I went to go buy donuts in the meantime. And then Mrs. O said, Lashe, where are you? And then she started looking out, she started screaming, and I could hear her. So I was like embarrassed. So I pretended like I didn't know her. And then I was just eating my donuts, walking around. And then I walked back to the group, and then Mrs. was like, Lashe, where were you?